show you guys a very interesting recipe using plantains. This is plantain fry. Now this is a very quick and easy recipe which makes for a great side dish for rasam or sambar. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 2 raw green plantains. So make sure it's nice and green. Cut both the ends. So I'm just going to remove the skin. I'm going to peel it off using a peeler. So you can see I've not cut it too thick or too thin. So this is a good thickness to cut into. Drop the sliced plantain pieces into a bowl of water. So meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a masala for the plantain fry. For this, I've taken 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour. Just pour a little water and mix everything together. So the masala for the plantain slices is ready. Now add the masala to the plantain slices and gently start mixing everything together. So just make sure the pieces are all coated well with the masala. So you can see the masala has coated all the pieces beautifully. Let this sit for about 30 minutes in the marinade. So it's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to fry the plantain pieces. Take a white pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm using gingerly oil to shallow fry them because it will give a nice flavor. You can also use any other oil for shallow frying the plantain pieces. So just start placing the pieces onto the pan. Keep the flame on medium throughout. Once they're fried on one side, flip them over to the other side. Make sure you fry them till they're a nice golden brown color. So you can see the plantain pieces are fried. I'm going to keep them aside. Now I'm going to temper a few ingredients. This is an optional step. If you want, you can do this. To the same pan, add a little oil, about 2 teaspoons. For tempering, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder or hing. Add a few curry leaves. So once the mustard seed starts splattering, just add the pieces. Turn off the stove and give it a quick mix. The plantain fry is ready to be served. So there you go. Here is a simple yet spicy plantain fry that you can enjoy with some nice rasam or sambar. So make sure you are patient enough to fry it well, and you can also increase or decrease the spice according to your taste, and make sure you serve it nice and hot. Do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Win.